Before we get started, let me show you what's included in the box. The first component is the swing arm, which has two parts. The top part extends and contracts like this. The second component is the table mounting clamp, which is fit for tables or desktops with thickness up to 45 mm. The last component is the smartphone clamp. This can also be adjusted to fit narrow and wide devices. It also includes one tablet mount for wider devices. To set up, slide the base of the swing arm onto the lip of a countertop and tighten the clamp. Loosen the opening at the top of the base and slide the swing arm down, then tighten. Now, screw the smartphone clamp onto the ball head. Then tighten the hole. Adjust the smartphone clamp to fit your device. And now you're ready to roll. Free your hands from holding your phone and enjoy videos lying comfortably.
Trigonometric equations.
With its flexible features, you can easily adjust it to your comfortable view at proper sight distance while recording a video. Once you're done with it, unscrew and collapse the swing arm. Remove the base and tuck it all in your drawer, under your sofa, or wherever else.